also want to bring in Amardeep, who's tracking details on the ground, because Amardeep, we are tracking what is happening in other parts of the country as well. In Ludhiana, protests were more or less peaceful, but some parts where there was a little unrest in terms of protesters having blocked the highways, but not too much had happened. And even in other parts, in Haryana, for example, there was a truck that had blocked the entire road. So some sort of information coming in from the other parts as well. But most importantly, Amandeep, it is now past 3, and the permission that was given until 3 p.m. In that sense, what do you see on the ground?
Yes, Suesha, the call was exactly from 12 noon to 3 p.m. and this is what they are committed to. This is what they had announced from the Singhu stages also. And in fact, if we talk about the Shambhu barrier, I can show you the visuals that how the traffic is turned to be on the normal grounds. In fact, exactly at 3 p.m., the traffic lanes has started removing from this very much point, just because the police have removed the barricades and even the farmers vacated both the roads. Both sides of the road. This is the main national highway which remained choked for past 3 hours, but now everything has been into the normal situation. Just because there were certain kind of apprehensions by the state of Haryana that this Chakka Jam may take any kind of violent turn, but nothing has happened. Everything went peacefully, but meanwhile the Haryana police all prepared to deal with any kind of uncertainty. But now things have turned to be very peaceful, and even the national highway, which was blocked for 3 hours, the traffic is entirely through from this highway, just because this is very important national highway from Amritsar leading towards Delhi. And in fact, the farmers have gathered on this highway exactly at 12 noon, and they vacated the highway at 3 p.m. And this is what the call has been given, just because it was after 26 January episode, the entire apprehension by the state of Haryana that this Chakka Jam may take any kind of violent turn, but nothing has happened. Things have opened. There are certain kind of reports coming down from the several parts of Haryana that somewhere state highways are still facing the blockade, but they are trying to remove it just because the traffic jam was in a massive number, and even they are also vacating the roads. The Kisan unions and farmers have vacated all state highways and national highways exactly 3 p.m. just because the kind of visuals we have witnessed from Amritsar and Ludhiana, the massive number of farmers have landed on the road. The situation was very sensitive. Actually, it was the kind of impression that they might not vacate the road according to 3 p.m. call. But everything has turned to be the normal. All the farmers have turned back to their native places. So things are coming to the normalcy. So finally, we can say that Chakka Jam call has been off now, and even no violence, and in fact, no such report has came to force so far. Yes, Srisha.
All right. So Amandeep, that audio line was not very clear. It's probably a little windy around where you're standing. But having said that, yes, more or less the situation has been fairly under control, except for some parts of the country where some protesters and those supporting them were detained. We continue to get more ground reports for our viewers. But for the moment, we shift our focus. Thank you, Nalini and Amandeep, for joining us.